friends, it's Life with Tamika Lynn. Welcome back to my channel. I know, I owe you guys an extra day of Vlogmas. So yesterday for day 22, I didn't have the time to record. We were traveling and then we went to a Christmas party that my cousin hosted. He hosted, him and his wife, they hosted a pajama Christmas party, which was so much fun. They even had a special appearance by the Grinch. And so the kids went crazy, but yeah, so it was just a day full of just spending time with our loved ones and just enjoying the kids and just, you know, being present in the moment. So I thought I would get a chance to record a quick video. Didn't happen. So today is actually going to cover day 22 and 23, and I'm going to show two bags to make up for it. So it's like a double header. Also yesterday was my best friend's birthday. Happy birthday, Tiff. I wasn't in town to be able to do anything with her. She actually, she did a birthday brunch, but the next time I'm home, like, I got to make sure that we do something for her birthday. I mean, we are aging gracefully. We are well into the over 40 club, but although I'll be 27 forever, it's such a blessing, right? We have friends that have not made it this far. We have loved ones that didn't make it this far. So it's just such a blessing to be able to celebrate birthdays. Like, I'm just all for a good birthday celebration, even if it's something just low key, watching Netflix and eating cake on the couch. Like, I just appreciate those birthdays because it's truly a blessing to have them. So yeah, but anyway, so in today's video, the two bags I'm going to show, kind of excited because these are like two of my most, I wouldn't say, one is my most unique bag for sure, but the other one, I would say it's probably just one of my like most different bags in my collection, and I love it to death and I carry it so very much. But yeah, so if you're interested in what two bags it is for today, please stick around. Okay, so bag number one. It is definitely at the top of like my favorite list. I know I say that a lot, like I have a lot of favorites, right? But there's levels to my favorites. I have like those low favorites, and then I have like the high favorites. And this bag is definitely at the top of that favorite list. And that is none other than the beautiful papillon trunk. I absolutely love this bag. As you can see, it does have a S-lock closure, very reminiscent of a trunk with all of this detail. It has this gorgeous, like, darker brown. It's not the same brown as like the Dolphin collection. It's more of like a reddish brown. Absolutely love that. It has all of these little rivets as part of the detail, and then on the actual leather itself, it has this beautiful LV lettering, very similar to the side trunk that I showed a couple of days ago, but same exact like LV leathering. The back does have rivets as well, if you could see that. And then this strap right here, it just goes halfway through the bag, and the bag doesn't have any feet. So it's like this little cylinder bag. It does have a total of 4 D-rings, so 2 on each side, and that's because the bag came with 2 straps. So first I'm going to show you guys the inside of the bag, and then I'll get into the straps. So this S-lock closure, same as like what's on like the Matisse, right? And maybe that's why I also love this bag so much, because the Matisse is definitely at the top of my favorites list as well. But it does have an S-lock closure, and all the years I've had this bag, it still has the plastic on it. I don't know if you guys can see that. I just haven't pulled the plastic off. The bag has this beautiful suede material, and this one was made in Italy. If you could see that, it says it right here, just Louis Vuitton, made in Italy. But this suede material is just so beautiful. It's like a deep tannish color, but yeah, absolutely love it. And then the inside, you could just still see those remnants of that brown beautiful leather. Very simple on the inside, but it just closes and it locks. Now, as I told you guys, the bag did come with 2 straps. So the first one was a chain strap. So I have several of these chain straps, or chains, we'll just say chain, because I have several bags that came with one. So sometimes I don't know what chain is going with what bag, because if I don't put it with the actual bag itself, I won't know what's going with it. So the first way that I like to wear this bag, and I've carried this bag a lot, while like traveling on vacations. I've done it a lot for date nights, but I normally carry it like this. If I'm carrying it like on vacation, date night, you know, just somewhere where I can definitely get away with the top handle, I carry it with the little chain like this. When I'm not carrying it with the chain and I'm carrying it with the actual strap that it came with, I carry it crossbody. And this is the strap. I had it folded like this, so that's why it's a bit wonky right now, but this is the beautiful strap that it came with. So monogram LV with this beautiful brown rustic looking leather. It does have gold hardware and it is adjustable. And it does have several loopholes and this beautiful detailing right here, and then of course right here. So when I attach the bag to wear it as a crossbody, sometimes I leave the gold chain on and sometimes I pull it off. It just depends on like the mood I'm in and how much noise I want to hear as I'm walking, because sometimes the chain can like hit against your clothing and kind of like make a little dragging noise. But I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when both straps are attached. I probably should have like a little desk in front of me. But yeah, so this is how the bag looks when it has the strap on it and the chain. And I'll insert some photos. I have a lot carrying this bag, but it's definitely one of my favorites. I love the trunk look, just that heritage Louis Vuitton. I love the color of this bag because it's different than other collections. I love the darkness of this leather, the gold detailing, all of the little rivets, the LV lettering right here. I had this bag well before the side trunk came out. So this was probably my first love as far as having a trunk bag. And then eventually years later, the side trunk came out. And then like I fell in love with that bag as well. So this is bag number 1. Definitely a bag that I will keep in my collection. Definitely high on my favorites list. One of my most used bags, definitely this year. I've used it a ton. Second bag of the video is my most unique bag. Now, when I first saw that this bag was being released, spoiler alert, it is from the men's collection. It was just a bag that I had to have. And that bag is none other than the Louis Vuitton paint can. So this was one of Virgil Abloh's last collections for Louis Vuitton before his untimely passing. So this bag and this collection and other items that were released as part of the collection, very, very special to the history of Louis Vuitton, right? In addition to that, I mean, it looks just like a paint can. This is like one of my favorite bags, I mean, to just admire. The handle has the beautiful LV logo. This part right here, the silver, it does not spin, but it has weight to it. It's solid. So the top handle has a lot of weight to it. The sides, they also say, they have the little fleur-de-lis on them. And then they have D-rings right here because it does come with a strap. The handle itself, because it's so heavy, if you lay it resting, it will definitely indent the leather because the leather is very soft. Like, it looks like it's a can, right, that can't move, but as you can see, you can squeeze this leather. So when I store this bag, I actually store it with something right here so that the handle stays upright so that it doesn't dent the bag. The back, I mean, it looks like a paint can, right? So exterior paint for wood, base only. I got it in the color green. It even has like warning label right here. Warning label right here, and then the front, you know, has the LV traditional information and the Louis Vuitton address. I mean, beautiful, beautiful bag. Now the top is white, as you can see, so the bag is truly green, white, and silver. When you open it, it did come with the pillow, so that's what this is, to help keep the shape, but it's a beautiful suede material right here. The pillow I do keep inserted in the bag to keep it shape, right? And this is the white leather strap that the paint can came with, and it definitely is also adjustable. And I can wear this bag crossbody, but normally I don't. I usually carry it as a top handle only. The inside, as you can see, just beautiful, beautiful green suede material. Absolutely stunning. You can see like the silver on the sides right here for the side pieces. I just thought the design of this bag was just so very unique. When I saw it was coming out, it came out in multiple colors. I'll try to find a photo that has all of the colors in it. But I remember like going back and forth with my indecisiveness as I was talking with my CA, my client advisor, because I kept saying, what color should I do? I thought about purple, I thought about orange, and she was like, what about green? And so we kind of like decided together that green would be like a hot color, and I'm so happy with the decision that I made. I absolutely love this bag. The bottom has white leather as well, so I am very particular on where I sit it. Like normally, I've carried this bag maybe twice or maybe even 3 times, and it was always for a date night. So yeah, I mean, usually I get stopped a lot. I take that back. I think one day I carried it to the mall, and maybe 2 other times was for like a date night. I get stopped and asked about this bag a lot. Like mostly like men, they'll be like, is that really a paint can? I'm like, no, it's actually a bag. But I love this bag so very much. It's just so very unique, so much detail, such beautiful detail. I'm definitely happy that I decided to purchase it. Definitely, like, it was one of those sight unseen type things because it had to be pre-ordered to ensure that I received it. So I was just hoping that when it came in, it was as beautiful as it was shown in the pictures, and it did not disappoint. So yeah. These are my 2 bags for day 22 and 23. So Vlogmas, if I'm not mistaken, usually ends on Christmas Eve. So tomorrow I think will be my last video of Vlogmas, but I will try to record like maybe 1 or 2 more videos before the end of the year as like a closeout for 2024. I don't know. I don't know what they're gonna be yet. I'm debating on like what the subjects will be. But anyway, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have stuck around all this Vlogmas, I so appreciate you. I appreciate all of the comments, all the feedback, all the dialogue we're having in the comment section. I appreciate the new followers. I just thank you guys so very much. If we are not friends, hit that subscribe button. It's free, and I'm telling you, it's fun over here. So hit that subscribe button. I hope that 2024 closes out amazingly for you guys. I mean, we're 2 days away from Christmas, so I hope everybody has a wonderful Christmas. And I'm looking forward to 2025. 2024 definitely has not been the kindest to my family. I mean, we've had some trials and tribulations this year. A lot of unspoken prayers that, you know, God has slowly answered. But it's been a year. I hope you guys have enjoyed. I will see you back here tomorrow for day 24. And until then, be safe.